Hi, thanks for joining me for our drawing challenge for today. So this is a 30-day challenge I'm doing to celebrate my 2 new books that are coming out in November. And today's shape that we are going to be working on is going to be a triangle. So triangle has 3 sides, and they can be, they can be the same, or you can have 2 long ones and 1 short one, or you can have 1 really long one. So for today, we're going to do a mouse from a triangle. Let's start with our triangle, and then we're going to do some ovals or circles. That's going to be the ears. And then I like to give my mouse a little kind of a nose area. Color in the nose, give it some whiskers, and then give it some eyes. And if you want it to make kind of curious, maybe he's looking. And now we have the face, and if you want to do the whole body, we can do another triangle here underneath it. So I'm going to start kind of like the middle of my triangle, and I'll go 1 line down, and then we'll go 1 line over, and then put the bottom one. And so let's see, we're going to do a letter, kind of backwards letter C, then another backward or another letter C. That's going to be its legs. And then this one, I'm going to pretend like that hand goes behind over there. So I'm kind of stopping my line right there. And then we'll do a little tail. And there he is. He's a very inquisitive, curious little mouse. All right, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.